Hi guys, my name is Shivani and I am here to suggest you some good books in the time of this boring lockdown. So I have some 7 to 8 books which I found very much useful and very much good. So please read them. First is The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. Literally, this book had me in a roller coaster of emotions. This book is about a girl called Anne Frank, जो कि एक Jew होती है in the time of Nazis where Hitler used to rule. So this book is very much good, from the perspective of autobiography. Read करें इसे, आपको पता लगेगा कि क्या कंडीशन थी जिप्सीज और ज्यूज की उस टाइम पे, जिस टाइम पे नाजीज यूज टू रूल द वर्ल्ड. पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में सब कुछ है, दैट whatever the struggles she has been through, बहुत कुछ आपको पता लगेगा. तो प्लीज रीड इट. It will give you an insight to a Nazi Germany. Second book is my ultimate favorite, A Thousand Splendid Suns by Khalid Hosseini. आपने इसकी काइट रनर बहुत बार सुनी होगी, I know, but this one is really a book to look out for. I cried after this book was finished because I was love in the characters, from this book. तो ये बुक बेसिकली दो लड़कियों के बारे में बताती है. वन इज अ वुमेन कॉल्ड मरियम, जिसका शादी राशिद नाम के एक आदमी से होती है, एंड शी इज नॉट एबल टू कंसीव ड्यूरिंग हर मैरिज, एंड शी हैज टू बी अ डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस किया जाता है उसके साथ बहुत ज्यादा. And second is a teenager called Laila, which is forced into marrying at a very small age. तो उन दोनों की स्ट्रगल्स, कैसे वो एक दूसरे से मिलते हैं, कैसे पहले दोनों में रॉकी स्टार्ट होता है बिटवीन मरियम एंड लैला, बट आफ्टर दैट दे आर गुड फ्रेंड्स, एंड कैसे वो मैनेज करती हैं एक साथ रहना. मरियम बिकम्स अ मदर फिगर टू लैला, एंड दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग हैपेंड बिटवीन बोथ द कैरेक्टर्स. सो प्लीज रीड इट. तालिबान एरा के टाइम पे क्या हुआ करता था लोगों के साथ एंड क्या स्ट्रगल्स थी लड़कियों की, तो दैट इज a thing to look for, and it will literally give you an insight to the Taliban rule Afghanistan of that time. Next is a self-help book by Spencer Johnson, which is Who Moved My Cheese. This book is very small read, guys. Please read it, especially if you have been through depression or anxiety, जो कि काफी लोगों पे गुजर रहा है during this time of lockdown. They don't know what to do and all. And this is the best book about the change in one's life. Whether it's a personal change, professional change, कैसे हम environment के हिसाब से अपने आप को ढालें, changing environment के हिसाब से अपने आप को ढालें. This is the best thing happened to the category of self-help books, and this is million copies have been sold. So I will suggest you. This is very small. This is not time taking at all. This just give you some productive, insight. So the next is a classic which I literally adore, very much adore. It's The Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. It is my favorite classic. It's actually a romantic read, and it is about 1800s, in the era of England, and how the love used to happen, how marriages were seen during that time, how the income affected the groom, how the income affected the bride of that time. And this story is about Elizabeth Bennet and Lord Darcy, who were, they had a rocky start in the beginning because Darcy is a proud man. He's very wealthy, of course, and they had a rocky start, but eventually they developed feelings for each other, and the story goes on. They, experience some difficulties, but this classic is worth to look, और आप इसी से start करें if you are a classic lover. नेक्स्ट जितनी भी मैं बुक्स आपको सजेस्ट करूंगी, दे आर फ्रॉम क्राइम, थ्रिलर एंड सस्पेंस जॉनरे. So the very first is my favorite in this genre, which is Agatha Christie's And Then There Were None. It is my favorite, and this is about 10 soldiers who are invited, 10 not soldiers but they are referred to as soldiers, 10 rich people, or you can say 10 privileged people who are invited to an island by an unknown person, and then suddenly one of them dies, and there are only 10 persons on the island. तो सबको पता रहता है that amongst them किसी एक ने murder किया है, and the story goes on अगर मैं इससे आगे बताऊंगी तो इट विल बी अ स्पॉइलर, बट आई विल जस्ट से दैट इट इज द बेस्ट क्राइम सस्पेंस थ्रिलर. So please guys, go through it. Next is from the same author, The Murder on the Orient Express. As the name suggests, a murder happens on a train and suddenly train was hit by a storm. तो ये पक्का हो जाता है कि the murderer is on the train, क्योंकि उसके पास कहीं मौका नहीं होता भागने का, कहीं भी उतरने का स्टेशन पे. तो उन्हीं में से कोई एक मर्डरर है जिसने मर्डर किया है ट्रेन में. तो इट इज इंटरेस्टिंग टू सी हु इज द मर्डर, एंड लिटरली जब आपको पता चलेगा कि कौन है, यू जस्ट स्माइल, बिकॉज मेरे को आधे हाथ में पता लग गया था. आई वॉज गेसिंग एंड आई गेस्ड इट राइट, बट इट इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग रीड. Next are the whole series, whole books which are my favorite from an Indian author in the category of crime, suspense, and thrill. It's a little adult series, but for 16 plus. But let's keep the adult content side. But this is best storyline I have ever came across. So पहली book इस series में है Marry Me Stranger by Norman Neal. Second book is All Your Stranger by Norman Neal. And third book is Forget Me Not Stranger by Norman Neal. तो ये book revolve करती है रिवाना बैनर्जी पर, whose hometown is in कोलकाता, but उन्हें job मिलती है मुंबई में. तो she shifts, leaving her family, she's alone. और उसे एक stranger follow करता है कोलकाता एयरपोर्ट से ही. And mind you guys, ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ एक book is full of thrill and suspense. Whole 3 book in this series are full of thrill, suspense. एक भी book ऐसी नहीं है जो bore करे. Every book in this series is looking forward to. And Indian author के हिसाब से Norman Neal Chakrabarty has a lot of capability to be like Agatha. I think I have read his earlier works also. Actually, these are the first works which I read from Norman Neal, but I was completely in love with his writing. And after that, I came across the Forever is True and Forever is a Lie series, Forever series from that author. Love is Blood Red, I guess, is X, A Twisted Love Story is also a good book by him. There are a lot of good books by him, but this is the best series. So these were my suggestions for today, and I hope आप safe हैं, घर पर हैं. Please follow your hobbies, whatever you do like, and if you are an avid reader, please look forward to my suggestions and do read. Thank you guys. Be happy and be safe.